That's it. All right, and put it back.
Sí.
Now the same with this one.
Sí.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Sí.
Not too much. That's it. That's it. Okay. Put it where? Put it back.
Sí. Yeah.
And then the black pepper. More. That's it. Put it back.
Sí.
Spoon.
Sí. Sí.
Okay. Now, two with the other spoon. Put it back.
Okay.
Yeah. This spoon. 2 spoons of butter.
Vale.
Butter.
Vale.
Gonna put it there.
Sí.
So 1.
Right. 2.
Yes. Careful. Okay. Now you're gonna put the milk.
There.
Yes. You're gonna put it there. Thank you, Eric.